Onjoria mahinga biacara ciao hwaini nirio thirikari nyingi cia kaunti irooya mweke wa kuhuhiriria ndawa matauni-ini, thitĩnji-ini na matura kuria kuri na andu aingi na kuria kurutagirwo mawira maingi mathaa ma muthenya. Kaunti-ini ya Baringo, maofitha a ugima wa mwiri matabanĩtie mĩhang'o ya kuhuhiriria ndawa cienderio-inĩ itiganĩte taũni-inĩ cia Marigat, Eldamaravine, Mogotio, Chemulingot na Kabartonjo itemi-inĩ rĩa kũhũrana na mũrimũ wa COVID-19.
We want to make sure that we prevent corona. We be very ready. We have seen what's happening in Nairobi, the lockdown that has happened in Nairobi, and we want to ensure that as Baringo we are very ready, so that our people do not get this virus, or if there's anybody who gets the virus, we should be able to contain it as easy as possible.
And we are also in the process of making sure the committee has allowed the county government to also procure certain amounts of food to make sure that we take care of those who are going to be, the vulnerable who are going to be affected, the old, the young, and also those people who have other conditions who are unable to really make a living.
Hapa hivi tumepata tayari sanitizers kutoka kwa serikali.
Ihinda-inĩ riu aikari ni mekwambĩrĩria kwamũkĩra thamuni wa kũraga germs, Onjoria magĩtanywo kũheo mweke wa mbere nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra cienderio ciao ni ciathingata mawatho marĩa mekĩrĩtwo ma gũkinyanĩria ũtheru.
Ile budget tulipitisha ningetaka kuweka vizuri. Budget for sensitization, budget ya kununua protective care, and also in the event we have also vulnerable people.
Na tumewaeleza viongozi wa bodaboda vile vile ya kwamba wafuate hii sheria. Kule sisi hatutaki mambo ambayo itawakabidhi alafu ituletee shida.
Komishona wa kaunti ya Baringo Henry Wafula arauga maofitha ake maricemba gũtigĩrĩra ni mang'ethanĩra na anyiti itemi rũhonge-inĩ rwa ũkui arĩa mategũthingata mawatho marĩa magathĩkĩirwo. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Ani Ngigĩ wa Nyamu.